Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a beautiful 2009 CVO Ultra that I want to show you. This bike's got 5 colors on it. I'm not going to try to name them, I'll just show them to you. On the CVO bikes, a lot of times Harley's got special names for their paint color, so I'll let you go online and find the official name. This one looks good. It's got a little, looks like it's got just a tiny little spot right here, a little scratch on the fairing. I believe that's coming off here. I believe that's a little scratch. Chrome front end, engine guard, beautiful chrome Screamin Eagle rims. Good tire on the front. This is it looks like that might be just a tiny little scuff, a little rock scuff, and that too. Maybe one right there. Just can't hardly ride these things and avoid those. There's one right here. Nice pink badge on there. Got the platinum colored powder coated motor, chrome trim, looks real good. That's CVO badging there on the filler cap. Painted inner fairing, matching inner fairing. Looks like there may be a, no, I think that's coming off. I'll go around there and look. Got a Clockworks windshield. Yeah, that's coming off. I don't know what that is, but it's coming off. Something detail shop missed. Nice air cleaner cover there. Screamin Eagle 110 with a 6-speed. Bags look real nice. Chrome up here on the handlebars, levers, brake fluid housing, clutch housing. Got a hydraulic clutch, heated grips, AM FM stereo, CD player, CB radio, electronic cruise control. Excuse me. Padded dash. Very nice. Let's see what this is right here. I believe that's coming off. It is. I believe that's a, might be a little bug or something on there. I don't think that's, it might be a little, just a tiny little peck there. Chrome luggage rack. Pack's lined. It's got the got a rider backrest. Pretty decent tire on back. Really a nice bike. Beautiful colors. Heated seat. Heated hand grips. Let's fire it off and let you listen to it. Seat's real nice. It's got a different texture, different color inlay there. Full onboard electronics from rider to passenger. Vance & Hines X pipe on it. A nice little performance upgrade. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at TexasBestUsedMotorcycles.com. We ran this bike through our shop and checked it out, so it's ready to ride. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.